Hi, my name is Mel, and I'm going to do this presentation exploring the universe from a scientific perspective, focusing on natural forces, cosmic evolution, and the concept of emergence, while addressing the absence of evidence for intelligent design. Now, the reason I'm doing this is people who believe in some sort of creation, which is intelligent design as well, creation myths, they will try and push biological evolution out of classrooms. They will deny science in terms of vaccinations, and it really misses out important information about who we are and how we got here. And also they, rapidly pushing, like science denialism in multiple fronts. And I think it's really important that we really be honest about this. And so whatever people's beliefs are, they do affect their actions and how they vote and what they do. Okay, so that's why I think this is important. So look, my presentation will examine philosophical perspectives on the universal's origins, the scientific foundations of cosmology, the fundamental forces shaping the natural cosmic evolution processes, the lack of evidence for intelligence design, and the concept of emergence of complexity. The following section discusses how different philosophies distinguish design, coincidence, natural emergence, reviews historical views from creation myths to science, and outlines modern interpretations without invoking intelligent design or creation myths. We explore key concepts differentiating purposeful design, chance occurrences, and natural emergence, clarifying how complex structures can arise without intentional planning. An overview of humanity's evolving understanding of the universe from ancient creation myths to the development of scientific cosmology. Contemporary philosophy often explains the universe through natural laws and emergence rather than invoking design or supernatural causes. And honestly, we don't need to appeal to those, all right? We do not need to appeal to supernatural causes, intelligent design, or gods or deities or creation myths to show how the universe came to be and how everything works, all right? We'll delve into the core scientific theories and evidence that explains the universe's origin and how it came to be without requiring intelligent intervention. The Big Bang Theory describes the universe beginning from an expansion from a hot, dense state, marking the origin of space, time, and matter. Okay, at no point does the Big Bang Theory say the universe expanded from nothing. A hot, dense state is what expanded. Okay, and for all we know, since time started at the expansion, that hot, dense state, which was energy and probably in the form of some kind of plasma or quantum state, was there eternally, if that means anything, without time, right? Okay, so the universe the Big Bang just describes the expansion from a hot, dense state. It does not say the universe came from nothing. Key observation as the cosmic microwave background radiation, redshift of galaxies, and elemental abundances support natural cosmological models, and all of that support the Big Bang, okay? Physics and mathematics provide the frameworks and tools to model cosmic phenomena, uncovering natural laws governing the universe's behaviour. And look, we don't know if these natural laws could have been different, or if they were different, might they have still created life but very differently. The natural laws seem to be just foundational way of how the universe formed. Okay, we don't know if they could have been different. We don't know how, if they were different and what they could have done. So I think speculating on like what chance did we have to have the natural laws that support life? Well, naturally life evolved in a universe capable of having life. I mean, that really is, it's just as simple as that. Okay, so An introduction to the fundamental forces and particles that construct the universe, enabling complex structures we observe. These four fundamental forces govern interactions of matter and energy, shaping the structure and evolution of the cosmos. And that would be gravity, electromagnetism, strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force. Gravity is the force of attraction between masses. Electromagnetism governs electrical and magnetic interactions, right? Essential for light. Strong nuclear force binds protons and neutrons in atomic nuclei, stabilising matter. Weak nuclear force mediates radioactivity decay and nuclear fusion processes in the stars. Okay, just so you know what they all do. Particles such as quarks and leptons combine under fundamental forces to form atoms, or to form, like protons, neutrons, which form atoms, and electrons, which form atoms, the building blocks of matter. Now, as far as we know, quarks don't form electrons, but these all form atoms, the building blocks of matter, okay? Simple particles and forces interact over time to produce increasingly complex structures, from atoms to stars and beyond. Exploring how natural processes drive the formation of life cycles of stars, elements, galaxies, and planetary systems. Okay? Stars form from gas clouds, undergo nuclear fusion, and experience life cycles which enrich the universe with heavier elements. Fusion processes inside stars create elements heavier than hydrogen and helium, essential for the development of planets and life. Gravitational forces organize matter into galaxies and planetary systems, continuing the cosmic cycle of structure formation. The following section examines why current scientific understanding definitely does not support the claims of intelligent design in the universe's development, and intelligent design should never be taught in any case of educational, because it is not science. Creation myths and intelligent design are not science, and they are not factual. Okay? Random processes and natural selection shape cosmic evolution, explaining complexity without deliberate design. We analyse arguments about fine-tuning and the anthropic principle, assessing their scientific implications related to design claims. Common misconceptions about intelligent design are addressed with scientific evidence supporting natural explanations. Understanding how complex order arises naturally from simple components and chaotic conditions through the process of emergence. Many natural systems spontaneously organize in structured patterns, demonstrating emergence without external control. Thermodynamics and entropy govern energy flow and disorder, allowing localized order to increase in complex systems. From molecules to ecosystems and galaxies, emergent phenomena illustrate how complexity arises naturally at all scales. The universe's origin, structure, and complexity can be and is explained through natural forces and processes without ever having to invoke intelligent design or creation myths, highlighting the power of emergence and scientific inquiry. And many people who put forth, like some kind of intelligent design and creation myths, because intelligent design is just creation myths, they'll say, you look at a builder or a building, and we're looking at human processes that do require a person or persons or machinery to build, right? But you look at natural planets, and life that does not need intelligence behind it, because planets form because of gravity, right? And accretion disks around stars. Life started as a biochemical process and then evolution took off. And there's not looking from what humans create, intelligent design, like a mobile phone or whatever, to like what's naturally created is not valid. And you're looking at two totally different things. So thank you for your time. Hope this helps.